Now to add a new page, all we have to do is click on this plus icon here, and then we can see different types of pages we can add. So we have regular pages up here, then we have collection pages. So this would be a blog page, a store page, a portfolio page, and so on. The reason these pages are collection pages is because on that page, it will basically be just a collection of specific content. So for a blog page, it will be a collection of blog posts. For a store page, it will be a collection of products. For a portfolio page, it will be a collection of different, let's say, photography projects. Then events, the same thing, videos and course, the same thing. And then down here, we have some more options, like we can create a member site. We can also add a drop down to our navigation menu to basically organize multiple pages in one drop down menu. And then we can also add a link to an external website. Now for this wedding photographer website I'm building here, I think a page that would make sense to add would be a portfolio page, so I can basically showcase my previous work. So I'm going to choose the portfolio page and add that to my website. Then here I can choose from different types of layouts. I like this one the best, so I'm going to choose this. Then up here in main navigation, we can change the name. I'm going to just name it portfolio. And then it will take me to the new portfolio page, which will also be visible here in the top navigation menu. And now, because this is a collection page, editing the content here will be a bit different compared to what we've seen before on the home page. So here on the actual portfolio page, we will just see a collection of all of our projects we have on this page. And we can add new ones by clicking on the plus icon, or we can also edit each one of those projects by clicking on it and then clicking on the edit button up here to make any changes to this project page. So here we can change the text. Here we can edit the gallery, so all of the images that was part of this specific project. Now let's go back to the pages overview by going to exit and then going back to website. Now here you can see the portfolio page that we have added, which will also be shown here in the navigation menu. And we can also change the order of this menu by just dragging it up or down. And if you want to add a blog to your website, it works exactly the same way. So again, we can just go to the pages overview here, then click on the plus icon. And then under the collection pages, let's add a blog. And then I'm going to choose this blog layout and name this blog. And now we have a blog here in the navigation menu where all of our blog posts will be visible. And we can click on any of them here, and then it will open up the blog post. And then we can make changes by clicking on edit here, and then just make any changes that we want to this blog post. Now, if you want to turn your website into an e-commerce website and sell products, all you have to do is add a store to your website. So here under collection pages, we have store, and you can just add that and then add your products to sell them on your website. Now, I'm not going to go more in detail because I have a specific dedicated video on how to set up an online store using Squarespace. And if you're interested in that, I'll leave a link to it down below in the description.